Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to extract multiple zip files at once in Windows 11. If you've ever had to deal with a bunch of compressed files and wanted to save time, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and easy. Let's get started. Step 1. First, locate the folder where your zip files are stored. Open File Explorer and navigate to the directory containing the zip files you want to extract. Step 2. Select all the zip files you want to extract. To do this, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each zip file. If all the files in the folder are zip files, you can press Ctrl-A to select everything at once. Step 3. Once the files are selected, right-click on one of the highlighted zip files. Make sure you're using the right-click button on your mouse, not the left click. Step 4. Drag your mouse to a blank space in the folder and release the right-click. You'll see an option labeled Extract. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. After clicking Extract, you'll see a series of extraction windows pop up, one for each zip file. Click Extract on each window to start the process. Once completed, all your files will be extracted to the same folder. And that's it. You've successfully extracted multiple zip files at once in Windows 11 without needing any additional software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.